Ndugu Rigiji, karibu tu, sema pole kwa jamii.
Asante sana viongozi wetu, familia, Mama Tabitha and your children, the larger family of Reverend Nzola, Your Excellency Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka, Your Excellency Governor wetu wa Vihiga Ndeti, Governor, the Senator, the MP, na wale wote ambao wamefika. Baitu yaseo, yaseo wengi, weyai kuseo, aminda onde, muliega kwetu, muliega liki, ilo yu wakasi, simulajua yu, isi wakasi, sindio? Mimi nimefika hapa na Pastor Dorcas kuja kufariji hii familia ya Mama Tabitha na mtoto wake kufuatia kifo cha Reverend Nzola. I did not have the privilege to know him in person, but my wife Pastor Dorcas, I had a good working relationship